And with me right now is Kristen Olson. She oversees the Equestrian Center here in the village. And it's always good to have you come by and tell us what's going on. We're going to talk about the horse show in just a moment.
Sure.
But, you know, let's talk about, even though this may not be happening at the Equestrian Center, we got to talk about the Kentucky Derby.
Absolutely, and that's why I'm wearing my silk today. This is Mike Setapayne's silk. He was the former manager. He's the former manager of the Equestrian Center. And so he loans us our silks when we go and help out at the Kentucky Derby. But yes, the Kentucky Derby buffet and racing viewing will be Saturday, May 4th, and that's going to be at the Clubhouse 5, and it starts at 1 p.m. And that's going to be really fun. There's going to be some raffle tickets going on and a hat contest and things like that. So that will be fun. Tickets are still available, as I understand. So just give them a call at 949-597-4382.
Yeah. And now let's talk about the horse show that will be coming up.
Yes, that's coming up May 11th. That's next Saturday. And it's an opportunity for us to show off a little bit with our residents and their horses and our GRF horses, which we use for our lessons and our trail rides. There's going to be we're going to have a horse parade. We're going to have some demonstrations. We had a gal who just got back from qualifying for the regionals down in Del Mar in dressage, and so she's going to be doing a demonstration of the dressage discipline. And then we have some very unique horses at our facility of boarders, unique breeds and things that we'll be talking about. This is kind of an opportunity for people to learn about horses. It's kind of an educational chance for people to learn and learn about our programs, but learn about our horses. And I see in the background we've got some great shots of our trail rides and things like that. We really encourage people to come down and visit us. We have our opportunity for visitors are 7:30 to 3:30 Wednesdays through Sundays. They can come and say hello to the horses. We have our riding program and things like that. And this is our opportunity to show that off. So it's from 10 to 11:30. And we also have special guests of the main attraction drill team from Riverside and the Norco Cowgirl Rodeo drill team. These drill teams are semi-professional, and they do a lot of performances all around the state. They've gone to the Rose Parade.
Yes, they have, yeah.
They've gone to the Del Mar National Horse Show. They've done a lot of performances that way, and they also give back to the community, which is a wonderful thing. So we're thrilled to have them again. They'll be doing their performances, and then we also have our GRF riding program drill team made up of our riders. So we have a few drill teams.
A lot of fun.
Yeah, I think it's going to be a great time.
Let me ask you this about somebody who's never ridden before and would like to learn how.
Yeah, for a resident, and residents can sponsor up to 3 guests, and they can come down. The first step in that is to do an assessment lesson.
Okay.
And that is because we need to see what you know and how comfortable you are with the horse. And so our assessment lesson is 25 minutes, and it's only $4 for residents, which is a screaming deal.
Right.
And then for their sponsored guests, it'd be $10. And then what we do is we look at how comfortable you are with the horse. We look at your communication with the horse and the control of the horse. And so we're looking at that while we're kind of giving you a lesson.
Okay.
And then after that, the riding instructor will let me know what she recommends as to the progression for the rider, whether they stay in the small arena and work on foundational skills in a controlled environment, or they move into the larger arena where it's a little bit more, there's a little bit more of opportunity for some skills to develop. Yes.
Now, what about something like this? We're showing a trail ride here. Can somebody just say, hey, you know what, I don't own a horse, I don't get on horses that often, but it'd be fun to go on a trail ride?
Well, the number one thing for the Equestrian Center is safety.
Okay.
And so it's really important that the people know at least a little bit in order to go on the trail rides, especially with our trail ride system, because it's urban in nature. It's not like you go out on the hills, you know, and that kind of thing. So we're dealing with cars, we're dealing with golf carts and golf balls whizzing by from the golf course and things like that. So you really have to have a good control with your horse. So what we do for trail rides, which we offer 3 times a week, they need to have some time in the saddle before they start
Okay.
at the trail ride. I want to make the distinction between a riding program and a rental program. A rental program is where you just hop on and go.
Yeah.
But ours is a riding program, and so we have to teach you a little bit more before you go on the
Okay.
trail. And we're happy to do that. We love to educate people about the wonders of the horses and what a lovely partnership they can have with the horse.
Okay, and again, that's something that people can, even if they've never ridden before, come by and see you evaluate them and learn?
Yeah, they need
Okay.
to. We need to take reservations because we
Okay.
are busy. So we ask that they give us a couple weeks to try to put them
Okay.
in, because there's only 4 times that we do assessment lessons. It's Wednesday, Thursday, Friday at 10:30, and Saturdays at 9.
Okay.
So just give us a call, and we can set something up. We have some forms that need to fill out, and of course they need to get their boots and hats
Right.
fitted and all that.
And
So-
you have those there?
Yes,
Well, maybe
we
not
do.
the hats, but you have the boots.
No, we do. We have the
You have
helmets.
hats too?
Yeah,
Oh, the
because,
helmets,
yes,
okay.
because helmets are very important. You don't want
Okay.
to crack your head open.
That's true.
Right?
Okay, what about people who say, you know what, I have horses, I've moved here, you know, recently,
Mm-hmm.
and I would love to have my horses boarded here. How do they go about that, and is there space available?
We do have space available. Right now we have about 5 stalls that are
Okay.
available, and all they need to do is they come down, make an appointment with me. I'd love to show them around and show the amenities that we offer, and then find out a little bit what their goals are with their horses, because our facility is very unique. It's not a training facility. It's more of it's very low key, and
Okay.
it's more for people who like to trail ride, who like to just hack around in the arena, and we do have a lot of retired horses that are mostly pets.
Okay,
Yeah, so they do get lots
Yeah.
of love and grooming and
Okay.
walking and things like that. So it's a very unique facility in comparison with others.
okay.
So
That's
but we
good to
would-
know, but
Yeah, but I would love to talk to them about seeing if they would feel like they could fit into our area, our
Okay.
equestrian center. Yeah, that'd be great.
All right, what are your hours over there, just in general?
Yeah, our hours are 7 to 4, Wednesdays through Sundays.
Okay.
And we are closed. We make sure that we tell people we are closed Mondays and Tuesdays, because the horses do need a little bit of rest.
Right, but the owners can come by and feed their horses and all
Absolutely.
that.
Yeah, the owners, the boarders can come up till about 9:30 at night.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Very good. Well, that's going to be a lot of fun on Saturday, not tomorrow, but a week from Saturday,
Yes.
from 10 until 10:30 10 until 11:30 at the Equestrian Center. And I would think that people can park up by the maintenance center and walk down.
Yeah, well, we do have a shuttle service,
Okay.
so they're welcome to park in the Equestrian Center parking lot as long as we have space
Right,
available.
right.
And then they can go up the hill, and then they can park in the off of Via Campo Verde.
Okay.
And then we'll have a shuttle service. I do want to mention just briefly that we would love to have you guys
yes.
come along, but please keep your dogs at home. The dogs that you have usually aren't used to horses,
Right.
and the horses aren't necessarily used to those kinds of dogs. So just for safety purposes and for more enjoyment, where you don't have to worry about your dog, leave it at home for this event.
Okay, very good.
All
Thank you
right.
very much. I
Thank
appreciate
you.
it. Always good to see you.
Yeah, same here, Ken.
Take care, and get out. Even if you don't ride or own a horse, take the opportunity to go out there and kind of look around and get to know the folks. And it's a very nice, peaceful area.
It is.
Yeah.
It's an oasis.
It is.
Yep.
Real nice. All right, we'll be right back.